Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my...
What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks the Culture Harlot back at you with a special edition video. First off, shout out to the Culture Harlot Facebook group and the TSB gang. Oh man, this is a long time coming. I've been waiting to do this video. I got a special package in the mail and I wanted to unbox it for you. This is a limited edition TSB merch video. I've been part of TSB for a while now, but mainly in the background, and then I decided to embark on this YouTube journey, and Ben was one of the first ones to reach out to me and say, hey man, go for it. I think it's a great idea. You have a great personality. And he showed me nothing but love and support. So I'm going to, what you guys waited for, do the unpackaging of my limited edition TSB merch. Shout out to Rene. I know he took a lot of work getting these put together. And he put a lot of time and effort, a lot of stuff with machinery and, oh my god, and lost my thought there. There's a lot of intricate parts of this this hoodie. Like, so the quality of this hoodie is supposed to be like Bape / Jordan quality. So let me, man, it's like packaged. Really nice package. Seems so excited. Oh man. Alright, so if you can see the TSB logo. Ooh, it smells good too. Oh man, okay, so on one side you have sneaker. Let me hold that so you guys can see it. I don't know if you can. Let's see if I can get that on camera. Oh, here we go. Sneaker. And then on the other side, man, this thing's brand new. It just made. Oh wow, the stitching's immaculate. It says broker right here. Let me see. Oh, so only 60 of these were made, and I have number 10. I have number 10 out of 60. All right, so look at the tag here. We got you can see got the logo in there. Let's try it on, see how it fits. Boom. Yo, this is, yo, shout out to Rene. This hoodie feels excellent. It's got that premium feel to it. Man, it's just, I don't know if you can see. It's got this is a large that I'm wearing. And actually, I was a little worried it might have been like too big, but it fits perfectly. It kind of has that snug fit. Man, look. I wonder what the thread count on this stitching is, because man, this is awesome. Yo, shout out to TSB. So you got on the sleeves. But yeah, so put the hood up, see how the hood feels. Oh wow. A little, these are actually heavy as hell. Yeah, this is like $100 hoodie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you guys were lucky to get one of these, or if there's still any left, don't sleep on it. Like, definitely get you one. Which I don't know when the next time he's gonna do like hoodies or something like this, but I'm definitely gonna be first in line to get. All right, he also has shorts. days made as well. I know some of those left that actually ordered mine today, and anticipating on how good this hoodie is going to be. So I know the shorts are going to be that same quality. So I want to thank you guys for making me part of your day. If you've rocked with me this long through the video, consider hitting the subscribe button, sharing the video. Like I said, I'm going to really ramp up this YouTube thing that I'm doing. I want you guys to be part of the journey. So with that being said, wear what you like, hype what you love, in the words of my favorite rapper. Peace and much love to you. TSB for life.
Some real cool fresh sneakers, go to the store, drown them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.